Please allow me to introduce our third speaker. Our guest speaker is a highly esteemed figure in the field of gastroenterology, a physician, educator, and leader whose career exemplifies dedication, integrity, and excellence. He graduated from Far Eastern University Institute of Medicine, where he also completed his residency and fellowship training at the FEU Hospital. He is a diplomate and fellow of the Philippine College of Physicians, the Philippine Society of Gastroenterology, and the Philippine Society of Digestive Endoscopy. Over the years, he has held numerous key leadership positions, serving as training officer and later section head of the FEU Hospital's Gastroenterology section, sorry about that, as well as the head of the GI section at the Chinese General Hospital from year 2004 to year 2021. His passion for this specialty and medical education led him to establish the fellowship training program in gastroenterology at Chinese General Hospital in 2012, a legacy that continues to shape and guide future gastroenterologists in the country. Beyond his administrative and clinical roles, he is also serving as an assistant professor at both the FEU Institute of Medicine and the Chinese Medical Hospital College of Medicine. He remains active in the medical community as a consultant at the Chinese General Hospital and Metropolitan Hospital, and as a visiting consultant at the Cardinal Santos Medical Center. A man of vision and service, he continues to inspire through his leadership, mentorship, and compassion. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that we welcome Dr. Jose Tan.
Okay. The slides, no? I'll just say next slides. Wala. May pointer pa. Pointer. Meron ba tayong dito? Okay, so since palagi sila dito, this side naman ako. Okay, before I start, I'm Dr. Jose Tan from Chinese General Hospital, and I know that you have been seated for almost 3 hours. So may I request everybody to stand up, please? Okay. Marami na inaantok eh. Marami na pagtapos ko, tulog na kayong lahat. Okay, please stand up. Okay? Now my panel for today is very, very, very 상잡해, 시잡해, 고잡해, 이긴 우, 这个就是等感啦。所以咱这次个要和恁这个了解讲，咱大概知有这个避免这个病症。Okay? Can I have the next slide? Saan ang aking pinis? Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah. I just mentioned next slide. Just push it. Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. Now, 这个个是咱长流伊咧经采用办法個，頭先first of all, this is the pattern of the colonic cancer, no? In here, you start with a small polyp, and then when it grow, polyp spread ako, tiam 1, tiam 2, tiam 3 centimeter, wayaw kin. Pero ilakilay di ng centimeter, di tiam go, kip tiam 5 kilo. So, 这个大起变成 abnormal growth 咯。这啲點個9 centimeter 6個月lang na. So, 這個叫做 doubling time. 點1到點2有點2到點4. From point 1 to point 2, it will take years. Point 2 to point 4, it will take years. But from point 2 centimeter to 4 centimeter, 6 months lang. Kaya, bigla, no? Bigla, uy, ang laki na ng tumor. Okay? Now, here, when you see, na-piss ka ba? Can you go back? Yan. Okay, you can see here, this is the second picture. No? Second picture there. You can see the colon cancer. From polyp, it will form into cancer. Now, can you prevent colon cancer? Uwan ang pibian, tuwatong gambo, uwat dit. So, di ang sige polyp, sige polyp, kay thân kilay, kay chat kilay. Di kyo siyak hiyak, kiat teng siyak hiyak. Nang kyo siyak hiyak, là phổ thông về kyo mạ diu. Okay? Tòa teng mạ diu, pero là si trong cái chim kyo siyak hiyak. Epekse tòa teng gam, magiging cancer ko colon, and then if not treated, it spread into the liver. Bakit liver? Kana siya nakitaw ki kwa le, tuwe thoa ki kwa le. In vì đang qua lồng trung huy xung quanh lồng trung tòa tướng xung quanh là huy lồng trung tiểu kiên kê qua. Okay, next slide please. Okay, now dan chế chỉ có cái Dr. Timothy D sẽ có dan sim trong pi tiong hong no cấp cancer chỉ sai nagpapalit-palitan lang no. The three of them interchange. Minsan, number 1 ang cancer, number 2 ang cancer, ang heart attack and stroke. So they interchange. And you know that. Paano ito? Yeah. Can you go back one slide? Ito ba? Sa akin ba ito? Ayan, sige. Ito, next slide. Yan, okay. Now, you can see here, colorectal cancer. Bakit na po? Okay, colorectal cancer, the third most common diagnosed cancer. So, paitesa na. Paitesa. Then, sige, buhay. Siyang tawching na. Kasi cancer ng buhay. Okay. The fourth leading cause of mortality. Then, so, say kayo ko, tesi paitesi sit killer. Okay. Next slide, please. And then, Filipino, tesae, tok diu ching, tua teng diu si paitesa na. Okay, so it is ranked number 3 for all cancer in the Philippines, and in 2020 it is the most common gastrointestinal malignancy. So cancer ng sigmura, bituka, pancreas, pinakamarami pa rin ang colon. Now you can see here, number 1 champion is the lung cancer, followed by breast cancer, and followed by colorectal cancer. Okay, since marami dito ang mga girls o mga women, so I would like to inform you that breast cancer is very important. We have several doctors who died very young of breast cancer, and that is very, very unfortunate. Because mammogram, you need to have a big breast. Pero majority sa atin, wala masyadong breast. Iniipit yan eh. So they found it in kung di ba chiyo sige dingo dito chintuay ra kay gulay ko sa hakbo pe chechi ko u sige ting tiap piate gam ko sa MRI breast protocol. Nakahiga ka lang ditole lang what yan choki colon cancer. The MRI of the breast can detect early cancer of the breast. Okay? Among female kasi, you need to have a big breast to be able to compress through the mammogram. And that can be corrected by MRI of the breast. Ano na lang nyo, kahit na gumastos kayo, but do it, no? Because we have several doctors who died early, no? 40 years or 50 years old. Doktor na sila, no? Eh, kayo pa, di ba? So, in short, we can do that test. All right. What happens if you develop colon tumor? So, what happens? Okay. Estimated survival of colon cancer is in 3 years, 38%, and in 5 years, 33%. 1/3 of those with colon cancer will die before 5 years. That's why it's very, very dangerous. Okay. It will not give you sudden death, but it's going to be very dangerous. Next slide, please. Yes. Now, nanti ko出名的人有去点到长流個上頭一個是咱的總統個Aquino個伊75歲 What yan? At 75 years old, na-diagnose siya ng colon cancer. At 76, she died. 1 year lang. Ito si Chadwick Boseman, no? Some of you may not know him, but he's the Black Panther. No, sikat yan. Sikat na aktor yan. Black Panther, and kasama rin siya ata sa Avenger, no? Now, he diagnosed 39, since may pera, actor, he lived for 4 years, no? Okay? 4 years. 43 years old, namatay na. This one, blogger, no? Blogger, 26 years old, diagnosed colon cancer. Ito naman, basketball player, Tenorio. He was diagnosed as 38, but he survived. Okay? So, let's go back here. Para pantay naman tayo. Okay. Okay, next slide, please. Now, this is how the development, no? From the left to right, this is how the colon cancer developed. So, from a normal one, exposed siya sa mga chemicals, okay? Or sometimes genetic. Ituansing na. Ituansing si gene. Whether you like it or not, di buhat ng di upay bulan. Kasi di so di buhat ng kong siya mer. Okay? So, di sika gene ko, sige, ito hyperplastic. Yakobek, tumor So, yung kiyo, piyanse, adenoma. Adenoma, utan si kiyo kong chokiye. Tokdiula, chokiye. So, this adenoma ko, go ni, sap ni, piyanse cancer. Okay? So, sige, bukong, wakina, colonoscopy. Kwaki, sige, normal. Baka anyway, cancer, buko ng sim. So, chicho, go ni, zai, what so? You cannot say that when you have colon polyp now, next year you may develop colon cancer. There's no way, okay? So the only way is that maybe in 5 years' time, 3 years, 5 years' time. That's why you can do a regular checkup 3 years to 5 years. Sani ikaw goni, chochipay. Okay? Sige si Bokwaki Buntue. Okay, next slide please. Okay, now, sige ko si Hong Hiam unso ko, risk factor. Di siya may chengheng diam tyo, di tyo colon cancer, siya may chengheng buya. Okay? Then, okay, check kong average lang. Pian ko ni Hong Hiam ko. Pian ko ni Hong Hiam, is on the left side, no? You can see that thông xiong mo, tyo go sa phe yi xiong na. Sige si tiang pai, chay chi tyo chong siya go he lo. Di bo ka ting u sa may từng điếu history, bo history of adenoma, bo history of inflammatory bowel disease. Sige, average risk. So, di one ang may go ni chochipay. Now, sige, personal risk. No, di increased risk. Okay, cheng ka, hong hiam, personal history of colorectal cancer. Di king diam tio colon cancer ki chusut diawlo. So, di king kyo increased risk. Personal history of adenoma, di ito colonoscopy adenoma, di si increased risk. Di katin cancer. Okay? So, di polyp, then you are increased risk or chen ka hong hiam. Who are the high risk? No? High risk. Chính po hong hiam to si try ituan siyang multiple colon polyposis syndrome. Buong colon merong 1,000 na polyp. Then these people, pamilya yan, the mother, the son, all the son. My patient, pamilya polyposis. The mother died at the age of 30, and then the sons, sinilip ko. Yung isa hindi nagpa-opera, namatay 25 years. Yung isa naman pina-opera ko, we have to remove the whole colon. Buhay pa ngayon. So, almost 20 years na. So, this is what you say. Parang yung sa breast cancer ni Angelina Jolie. Di ba? So, tinanggal niya to prevent because it is non-preventable. So, this one is also the same. Di na, sige kasi polyposis syndrome ko, sa cancer la. So di daw what nang chat hilay ka hola. Next slide please. Okay. So then one ng shukay, no? Shukay sige hong hiam, no? how do we modify the risk? Pwede ba natin i-prevent ang cancer? How do we prevent it, no? So, this side naman tayo. So, this one, you can see that increased probability, no? Dimchu, alak, and then body fatness. I'm sorry, yung mga overweight, you have to reduce, no? Okay? And then processed meat, yung mga tapsilog, no? Yan, yung mga hotdog, mga kwantaw, no? Mga delata. So, meron yan nitric acid, no? So, these are carcinogenic, okay? Yung mga preservative, lahat ng preservative, no? And then, so, ideally, you have to eat fresh food, avoid mga lumang pagkain o mga preserved food, okay? So, red meat, no? Processed meat, red meat. Red meat is pork and beef. Ang siya kay ma na. Ang ma si guma kap siya ma. Pe ma kaho, pe ma si kwe kap hi. Okay? So, red meat cause ano to? Yeah. Okay. Okay, red meat cause increased risk. Increased risk at limited suggestive evidence. Ibig sabihin, wala tayong masyadong ebidensya, but smoking can increase the risk of colon cancer. Okay? Yung mga barbecue. Now, barbecue food, nagamit yung uling, no? Okay? So, ito So, pero sigo, ukyo si electric, no? Sa Korean, no? Electric, mukhang mas safe yun. Pero pag yung fats, binurn mo, then you have the same risk. Kaya pag nagluluto, huwag masyadong sunog, na? Okay, when you have char, it can also cause trouble. Okay. Now, low intake of fruits. Yan. Yung mga ayaw kumain ng fruits. And then, low intake of veggie. So, why buhay siya? Keji, buhay siya, chay. Di ka o kihui. Those who don't like to take vegetable and fruits, you have higher risk of getting colon tumor than those who are taking vegetable. I went to India for training for several months, and I do colonoscopy there. You know, they are 90% vegetarian. Imagine when they see, or when they saw polyp, everybody there in the whole hospital is so excited, no? And while here in the Philippines, we see about 5 to 10 polyps, patients with polyps every day. So what happened? They are vegetarian. Okay? So yun ang clue. So from now on, try to eat vegetable and try to eat fruits so that you can be healthy. Okay, next slide. Tenggambo. Okay. Okay. So, di walang kasi, di walang syukay. Ano ba ganito? Okay. Sige ko, aspirin ko, iye, hodi. Oy, patagyan na. Hodi kangke, di kiwe, betyo, tiyotong. Mko aspirin, si chin yung na, what happened? What is happening? Okay. Aspirin is not a harmless medicine. Aspirin siyong uy chud hui da. So yo di la bo siya may kamkak bo dan bo ay la. Okay? To the high risk aspirin. Okay, may barado ka sa puso. Then okay? Food containing fiber. No, ito yung hormone replacement estrogen, yung kay Dr. Irene C. No? Sometimes it also improve, no? And then low body mass, yung mga payat. Yung mas konti ang payat na may colon cancer sa mga matataba. Okay? And then vigorous physical activity and whole grains, no? Okay, so yun ang Now, yung mga decreased risk but not evident, not so evidence, mga fish, okay, vitamin D and vitamin C, no? So ngayon, sinabi ni Dr. Timothy D, no, that vitamin D deficiency can also precipitate or can also be a risk factor for heart problem, di ba? Now, to give you an idea, I treated a lot of COVID patients. during the pandemic. And those people with vitamin D that is low, these are the people who went into ICU and died. Those people with very high vitamin D, they survive. Okay? So you have two reasons to take vitamin D. It can prevent you from heart problem, and it can also prevent you from getting colon cancer. And vitamin D also prevent you from getting upper respiratory tract infection. Nowadays, we have a lot of influenza-like illness. And this vitamin D, I took it every day, can also give you more resistance. It's an immune booster. Okay, next slide, please. Now, yun, okay. So, what are the symptoms of colon cancer? No? Okay, the symptoms. Normally, 30% of patients with colon cancer has no symptoms. Okay, they have no symptoms. Okay? Pagpasok nila, stage 3, stage 4 na sila. Okay, so, yan. Fatigue, weakness, fatigue, tumatay na may dugo. When you pass out blood in the stool, that is already a warning sign. Eh, Dok, ano naman once every month lang ako. So, yung sabi ko sa pasyente ko, gusto mo mag-cancer ka muna bago natin silipin, no? So, that is wrong. When you pass out blood, that is already something wrong, you have to investigate. Okay? Now, change of bowel habit. What is the meaning? Dati-dati, every day ka dumudumi. Then, suddenly, every 3 days ka na. Okay? Then, after few months, 4 times, 5 times a day na. So, that is already sign ng obstruction. Okay? So, tawag dyan sa diarrhea caused by obstruction. Okay? Overflow diarrhea. Don't say, boy, ahiyo. Dati-dati, hindi ako makadumi. Ngayon, 4 times a day na ako dumumi. That is already a bad sign. Okay? When you have constipation, then suddenly you have diarrhea, piket, hudian kan, sige, si chimpay, hensyong. Something is wrong. You better have yourself test. And the most important thing is unexplained weight loss. Siyaosan na. Chupi ko, siyaosan na. Bali, reduce yung neighbor mo sabihin, uy, pumapayat ka. Hindi, nagre-reduce ako. You lose 20, 30, 20 pounds? No. Any unexplained weight loss needs investigation. Chinchay si, di la siyaosan huan sui. Sige, si chidian Something is wrong. Pwedeng choucheng sa, pwedeng tengcheng sa, pwedeng kwa. Di ki check up. Next slide. Okay, how dan sa damit semua saya kung kwansat sige cancer. Bet semua kay kwansat How do you do a screening? Next slide. Okay. Di yu kyo che kyong pien ko ne hyong hyam kyo che average risk. Di na bo family history. Then no family history, no history of colon cancer, no adenoma, you are called average risk. Ibig sabihin normal risk. Okay? Next slide. Okay, so pag-average risk, how do you monitor at the age of 50? No? These are different American different American task force who did the study on when do you get it. So the recommendation in the Philippines is 50, but now we lower it to 45 years old. At 45 years old, you should have your first colonoscopy. Okay. Dan dapat song sige kaisi yam sige ko atangi ko ti si kaisi tiang pa yo si go chap he da. Chechi yo kay kang lai siya go he na. Now, bakit ginawang 45? Because we have been seeing a lot of patients who develop stage 3, stage 4 at the age of 50. So if you go back earlier, go ninyo, dan uhan ng PBL. Okay, next slide. Now, di daw, kasi 5 honghyam, high risk people who develop colon cancer, may family history, polyposis, these are genetic, no? Tapos priorly, dati meron kang colonoscopy na may polyp. So tatanungin mo sa doktor mo, Doktor, yung polyp ko ano ba? Hyperplastic o adenoma? Adenoma is pre-malignant. Ibig sabihin, papuntang cancer. When you have adenoma, then you have to do more frequent. Hindi yung kailangan na after 5 years. Kasi sabi ng hindi. You can do it every year, every 2 years because you have adenoma. Okay, next slide. How do you do screening? Depends on your gamma. Okay? Okay, Becquerel, next slide, please. Okay, now these are 2 tests, no? First 2, the one with the red mark. Okay, FOBT, fecal occult blood test, and fecal immunochemical test. These are recommended annually. Okay, next slide. When you do colonoscopy, when you do colonoscopy, 5 to 10 years, no? Ang test mo, flexible seek, 5 years din. Next slide. Okay, you can do X-ray. Next slide. Okay, so stool-based, do a stool-based exam. Go. Okay, sige kasi, guayak test, occult blood test, sige si Cheng Xiong na. Pero ikasyok lang ng sapa ko la. Pero botsud na. Fecal occult blood test is not accurate. Nito, sadit bocha, ito mae. Ito gyam sadit consecutive days. Nito din ito, sige aspirin bocha. Vitamin C at ito bocha. So, sige botsud. Okay? Hindi ito accurate. So, when you do this, you have to do it for 3 consecutive days. Next slide. Okay. Now, this one, FIT, this is better. No? This costs about 1,200 to 1,500. But this is better. When you have a positive fit test, this is just stool exam. Type yan lang, type yan lang. First of a person, accurate lang. Okay? And it can determine advanced adenoma at 25 to 56%. Next slide. Okay, so sige, DNA, mas accurate to, but this costs $500 to $600, no? So 35,000, hindi natin kaya yun. Next slide. Okay, so this also DNA, next slide. Hindi natin kaya yan, sobrang mahal, no? Magpa-colonoscopy ka na lang. Okay, and then this one is RNA test, parang RT-PCR, but very expensive, no? Next slide. Okay, technique for endoscopy. So what do we do? Okay, now this one, colonoscopy. Sigmoidoscopy, sige si Chirakau Chiala. Okay, on the splenic flexure. Colonoscopy, ikan ko si kompleto hanggang dito, kami merong bonus pa pinapasok sa small intestine. Okay, so what is the accuracy? Next slide. Okay, sigmoidoscopy, partial, kaliwa lang. Up to the splenic flexure, okay, you can do it every 5 years. 41 to 45% right-sided RC may be miss. Mami-miss mo yan. Okay? So, kasi left side lang sinilip mo, no? And then increased right-sided lesion are increasing with age. So, it's only accurate by, it can detect 33 to 42% of the cancer, and it can also reduce cancer by 22%. Let's go to colonoscopy. Next slide. Okay, colonoscopy. So, you inserted the whole colon. Okay, you can do it every 10 years if you are average risk. So, you need bowel prep. It is a gold standard. You can do biopsy. Now, colonoscopy is better than sigmoidoscopy. 40 to 60% lower incidence of mortality. It can detect earlier, no? It can detect 52% and reduce 62%. And adenoma detection rate is 75 to 35. Ibig sabihin, mas marami kang makikitang abnormality sa complete colonoscopy. Next slide. Okay. How about capsule? Yung mga tao na next slide. Okay. X-ray now. Barium enema, wala na gumagawa niyan. Ito, 1970s, 1980s. Now, because of the advanced colonoscopy, wala nang gumagawa ng barium enema. Next slide. Okay. So, what are the advancement of endoscopic adenoma detection? So, dan sige go, sige, distal detachment na. Sige, parang ano to no? Ito panghawi yan. It makes the colonoscopy much clearer. You can do the distal, no? Distal edge. So, distal cup, no? So it can increase cup-assisted colonoscopy 42%, no? From 20 to 30%, magiging 42% yung detection. Okay? Okay, next slide. Okay, artificial intelligence, no? Now you can see, now you have this one. You have the yellow one, green one. When you have a patient with polyp, this will light up. Okay, this is good for beginners. For us, always, ano na kami, we don't need that, okay? But yung mga baguhan na colonoscopies, this will be very helpful because it can detect very small, no? Okay? All right, next slide. Okay, so let me have one image enhanced high definition, okay? Kung sa ano natin, HD. All right, so you can see here, now when you do HD, eto na. You can even see the blood vessel. So this one is cancerous. Even without biopsy, you can say, kasi may depression, may abnormality ang this is through magnification and that's called image enhanced. Okay? We can now detect cancer during procedure. Confirm only by biopsy. But this one, I can tell you 100% cancer. This is cancer. Next slide. Okay. Can you remove polyp? Okay. Ito yung polyp, no? So, inject something para lumabas siya, then cut it, then cut. This is called the endoscopic mucosa resection. Pag mas malaki, kasi ito, buo to, no? Mga 3 cm. 3 cm. So, we can also remove the whole thing. That is called ESD. Pero, mas matagal yan, mga 2 hours yan. Yung EMR, 10 minutes lang. Next slide. Okay, how about prevention? Can you do prevention? Yes, aspirin, no? Aspirin. Aspirin can prevent colorectal cancer. Dose is 81 to 325, and then optimal higher dose na. So, it can prevent CRC by 22% reduction. Okay? But the thing is that aspirin, hindi siya, medyo risky kasi it causes bleeding, stomach bleeding, and okay, so you have to be very careful. Next slide. Okay, so these are the other medicines, Sulindac and Celecoxib. Oh, bakit hindi tayo uminom yan? Because this causes higher cardiovascular event. Pupunta kayo kay TMD, no? Pag uminom kayo, mas kukunti na pupunta sa akin, pero mapupunta kayo sa heart problem naman. So, 2.6% higher cardiovascular event, and then 3.4 higher cardiovascular event. Okay, so yung mga uso trend, mga usunan. Okay, let's go. Okay, yan natin na colonic hydrotherapy. No? How many of here doing colonic hydrotherapy? Sikat yan sa Philippine Plaza. They are doing colonic hydrotherapy 5,000 per session. They claim that it can prevent cancer of the colon. So what happened here? Okay, so you do, this is the colon, the fluid, and then move out, so malinis na. Tawag dyan, plain and simple labatiba, no? So, pero 5,000 kasi class kayo eh. Nasa hotel kayo, meron kayo mga music, so social na labatiba, no? Okay, so what is because of their promotion, no rigorous control trial, multiple adverse effect, multiple side effect, and those with coffee enema. Anybody here using coffee enema, labatiba ng kape? Huh? I hope you don't use Starbucks, no? Mahal yun. But, okay, coffee enema, just to educate you, it started in Brazil. There is a patient who has cancer, went into a mountain and reached a ermitario. So that ermitario did coffee enema on him. And after few months, he went back to the city and all the cancer disappeared. So, yun ang istorya. Okay? Kaya yun. Here, okay. So, this is a 40-year-old male, okay, with bloody stool, ultrasound, okay, meron lang liver mass. So, stage 4 na. Okay? And then, CT scan siyang wall sa rectal, and then, non-smoker, non-alcoholic drinker. So, this is called sporadic. Ibig sabihin, biglaan, no? Botay-botsi, no? Botay-botsi. This tumor, I can tell you 100% this is cancer. Okay, 40 years old. Next slide. Ano, 39 years old also, meron siyang abdominal pain. Okay? Non-smoker, non-alcoholic drinker, hindi pa sinabi natin, high risk, pag smoker ka, alcohol. Hindi ito nagsisigarilyo, walang alcohol. Okay? But irregular bowel movement. Ibig sabihin, meron na siyang sign. Okay. Then, pina-CT scan kasi yung sakit ng sakit ng dyan. Meron ng liver mass. So, this is stage 4 at the age of 39 years old. Okay? Remember, our screening says you do it at 50. If you do it at 50, there is a lot of people, young people, who's going to die because of the wrong recommendation. Next slide. So, ito yun. This is the tumor and this is the ulceration. Tumor, ulceration at the 39-year-old. These are actual case ko yan. Actual case na pasyente ko. And then, so this is already stage 4. When you say stage 4, you're talking about 33% survival after 5 years. Next slide. Okay. How about, ito, 36 years old. Na? Okay. Bloody stool, may almoranas. Okay. No family history of colon, no abdominal pain, active lifestyle, payat siya, hindi siya mataba, non-smoker, non-alcoholic. So, wala siya sa radar natin, no, na dapat silipin. Wala siyang risk factor. 36 years old male. Next slide. Okay? So, this is the polyp, but this is already a tumor. Okay? So, may tumor na rin siya. Alright? Next slide. Ito medyo kasi 74. So, nasa radar natin, age is one of the factor for colonic cancer. So, 74 years old, female, meron siyang rectal bleeding, meron siyang bleeding. Ulit sudwira, titan sudwira. Kating borong family history, colon cancer, a conservative Chinese Filipino family. So, always 5 teleconsult na. Ay, meron na. Examination, anemia, fit test, positive. And then, after 5 consult in the teleconsult, finally, pumayag magpa-colonoscopy. Ito yung kanyang tumor sa rectal wall. Okay? I think this is my last slide for the colon tumor. Can you go next slide, please? Meron pa? Okay. This is called the EO, not executive optical, no? EOCRC. Early onset colorectal cancer. These are cancer below 50 years old. Okay? Some literature cut off at 40. Global increase in the EOCRC. Present stage. When they come to us, it's already stage 3, stage 4. Tesaki, tesikiro. So I see goats up here, ihai. Okay. Abiko ko, in US, 1.4% increase per year of this early onset. So, why do we have early onset colorectal? Because there is already, people are already educated. So, dan we can uka sa pesi o kainsen kong di kyocho. Okay? So, screening, ukigyam, nagpa-test. The simple test, pag wala kang pera, simple test, fit test na, stool exam lang, 1,200 lang, no? So, tanggalin mo na yung load mo sa cellphone. Bayaran mo na yung fit test. If you're positive, go for colonoscopy. Okay. Now, obesity, when you have overweight, then you have 20% higher. Dilao, kahit nga akong kuyo, katwa ko, no? Okay, katwa ko, di sa percent, katso eh. Then, diabetes, type 2 diabetes, when you're on alcohol and tobacco, then you are in the higher income countries. Why? Because you eat a lot of this preserved food, no? Mga sausage, mga ganyan. May marami kang pera eh. Mga walang pera, di galunggong lang, no? So, yan, that will also, sa galunggong, okay, so, mas less ang kanilang risk, no? And you eat a lot of preserved food. Okay, next slide. Okay, what is my take-home message, no? Okay, colonoscopy is a gold standard. So, do not do sigmoidoscopy kasi mas mura, kalahati ng bibig. Para bang bumili ka ng kalahati. Cut off. Ngayon, we do it at 45. And if you look at my example, my patients are 37, 38, no? Okay? So anytime that you have bloody stool, 青菜时有大便有血，这个就照咯。青菜时 anytime you have weight loss, unexplained, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nag-diet, then you have to do workup. Okay? Then anytime that you feel change of bowel habit, 青菜时大便忽然間變piket，變成流細變成piket，這個是一個大問題咯，這個是一個現象。This is already a clue that something is wrong in your intestine. Okay? And then I think this is my last slide. Next slide, please. Okay. 謝謝。
Thank you very much, Dr. Jose Tan of Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center for such an informative talk on the early...
Itong topic ni Dr. Jose Tan, very important to. Kasi I have a lot of friends, yung na mga anak nila at the age of 40 or less than 40, they have colon cancer. And then you can ask Dr. Jose Tan, yung mga pinilit ko magpa-colonoscopy. Lagi sasabihin ni Dr. Jose Tan, magpasalamat kayo kay Hilda Ong kasi kung hindi, talagang papuntang cancer na ang kanyang polyp. Dr. Jose?
Yeah, actually, just came to me 2 days ago. Classmate niya, during the reunion, pinilit ni Hilda, no, na magpasilip. And when I did the colonoscopy, it was a colon cancer, stage 1. Okay, so he underwent surgery, showbiz to sa Singapore pa nagpa-opera, no? Okay, showbiz. And then, when he returned, he was so happy. Now, why? Wala siyang symptoms. It's only through the convincing power of Hilda. Sabi ko, bakit ka magpapasilip? Kasi si Hilda, ang kulit pinilit niya ako, no? But why did Hilda requested for it? Because of the close family friend nila came from Hong Kong, indigestion. Refer to me, suddenly, pina-CT scan ko, meron tumor, 43 years old. Okay? So, it was stage 3. Stage 3 na. So, underwent 2 operation, chemotherapy, went to Singapore, all these things. Very hassle. Now, siya, advocate of colon problem, went into the brothers and sisters of this family. Yung kanyang classmate niya, yung kapatid, yung father. Yung mga pinsan niya, one of the cousin, sinilip ko, early cancer. Yung type yan, wala. So, gastrocolic yan. So, every time you after breakfast, you go to the toilet and you develop a good habit, no? Okay.
Doktor, yung mga mahilig mag-fasting,